Hello and welcome back to Study English with Frank, and today we're going to take a look at more healthcare terms. Healthcare, healthcare, healthcare. Healthcare is the organized provision of medical services to individuals or communities to maintain and improve health. Here are some examples. Access to affordable health care is a fundamental right for all citizens. The healthcare system faces challenges in terms of quality and accessibility. Advances in technology have transformed the delivery of healthcare services. Hospital, hospital, hospital. A hospital is a facility where medical and surgical treatments are provided to patients who require intensive care. Here are some examples. She was admitted to the hospital for a thorough medical evaluation. Hospitals play a vital role in both acute care and long-term patient management. The hospital staff worked tirelessly during the pandemic to save lives. Nurse, nurse, nurse. A nurse is a health care professional who provides patient care, administers medication, and offers emotional support. Here are some examples. The nurse monitored the patient's vital signs and administered the prescribed medication. Nurses are often the primary point of contact for patients during their hospital stay. The compassionate care provided by the nurse made the patient's recovery more comfortable. Doctor, doctor, doctor. A doctor is a medical professional who diagnoses, treats, and prevents diseases and disorders in patients. Here are some examples. The doctor examined the patient's symptoms and recommended further tests. Becoming a doctor requires years of rigorous education and training. The doctor's expertise played a crucial role in diagnosing the rare condition. Physician, physician, physician. A physician is a medical practitioner who specializes in the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of illnesses. Here are some examples. The physician discussed the patient's medical history to make an accurate diagnosis. Physicians collaborate to provide comprehensive care for complex medical cases. The patient relied on the guidance of her primary care physician for her health concerns. Emergency, emergency, emergency. An emergency is a situation that requires immediate medical attention due to a sudden illness, injury, or life-threatening event. Here are some examples. The emergency room was crowded with patients in need of urgent care. paramedics respond swiftly to emergencies to stabilize patients before reaching the hospital. The hospital's emergency department is open 24/7 to handle a wide range of emergencies. Ambulance, ambulance, ambulance. An ambulance is a specially equipped vehicle used to transport patients, often in critical condition, to medical facilities. Here are some examples. The ambulance arrived at the accident scene within minutes to provide medical assistance. The paramedics carefully transferred the injured patient to the ambulance for transport. The ambulance siren signaled the urgency as it rushed through traffic to the hospital. Surgery, surgery, surgery. Surgery is a medical procedure involving the manipulation of body tissues to repair, remove, or replace damaged or diseased areas. Here are some examples. The surgeon performed a successful surgery to remove the tumor. The patient's recovery after the surgery was closely monitored by the medical team. Advances in surgical techniques have led to shorter hospital stays for certain procedures. Patient, patient, patient. A patient is an individual receiving medical care or treatment from a healthcare provider. Here are some examples. The patient's condition improved significantly after following the prescribed treatment plan. The doctor patiently explained the surgical procedure to ease the patient's concerns. As a patient advocate, she ensured her father received the best possible care. Rehabilitation, rehabilitation, rehabilitation. Rehabilitation is the process of restoring physical, mental, or cognitive function after an illness or injury through therapy and exercises. Here are some examples. The rehabilitation program included both physical and occupational therapy sessions. Rehabilitation is essential for helping patients regain independence after a stroke. The patient's dedication to rehabilitation resulted in remarkable improvements in mobility. Well, that's it for today's lesson. Be sure to come back for more vocabulary lessons for your IELTS exam. So long for today.